Once you've created the design you want, you can create an estimate by clicking Start Estimate. Hover will automatically assign the proper template based on the product that you selected, and you can click Create Estimate. And when you do that, Hover is going to generate an estimate for you based on your designs, and we will create line items based on all of those templates. So you see here in that product, in that design, I used iron gray 7-inch reveal siding, lap siding, and there were 37 squares, and we added waist. You can click this to see how we change those, and you could change the waist if you wanted, which will then affect the piece counts and things like that. And then you can see here that we have the shingled siding in the color that we selected and the piece counts here. Now this will get you what you need for a takeoff. If you want to create an estimate using that, you can input your unit costs and your markup. So like if I do, say, just my unit cost for these two products, I can apply markup either at the individual level, or I can do it at the template or group level. So if I go here, I can assign a 70% markup to my material group. I can save that. And then I can add tax as well, say 8.25%. And when I go back to my view, now I see I have unit cost, markup, and tax. And I can start seeing my financials here, right? I've only inputted material totals, but I have that. I have labor and other. It shows me my markup and all of those things. If I start adding labor, say I input something here, and I add markup. Now I come here. Now I'll see laborers here, and it changes my markup. Thank you.